Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Play with the account that will use the discount. Once done, confirm the app is updated, because coupon fields can move between versions. Make sure you have a valid payment method saved. Google verifies cards or PayPal before applying discounts. Now locate the item or subscription you want to buy, a paid app, in-app purchase, or recurring plan, and tap into its purchase flow so you can reach the coupon redemption step quickly. You proceed to checkout and tap the price to open the purchase dialog. This reveals payment options. Look for redeem code or apply promo. Google labels vary, so scan the dialog carefully. Enter the coupon exactly as provided. Capitalization and dashes matter. After entering it, press redeem or apply and wait for confirmation that the discount is calculated. If it's a subscription, confirm whether the coupon affects the first billing only, or recurring charges. This prevents surprises on renewal. You must verify the discounted total appears before you tap confirm. That final check prevents accidental full-price charges. If the coupon fails, make sure your Play country, account age, and item type match the coupon terms. Many promos are region or product specific. If it still won't accept, clear Play Store cache, sign out and back in, or try another payment method. Finally, if nothing works, contact Google Play support and provide the order ID for resolution so you get help fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.